a name. We're all born to shine just in our way. Let the world hear what we gotta say.
Ayan. Ayan, may tuka na.
Proof you can make your mark.
Yes, but
In the dark until the light. Can't hold us down, we rise above. The strength of hope and this love. One hand, full heart. That's enough.
okay lang yung tita. Mas okay nga yung may comment ka kesa sa wala. Minsan, nagsasounds tapos nabibingi na pala yung sa kabilang linya, di ba? Yan. Kaya may comment na chat box tayo para may ano. Sayang nga lang hindi ako naka-stream ngayon. Pumapalya kasi yung sound card sa ano, StreamYard, kaya ano, mahirap mag-set up. Minsan kakanta ka, walang music. Ang pagkakamalag ako nasisiraan ng ulo. Ganun ba yun? Pag iba-iba yung background. Sa akin kasi basta ano, yung ang tawag dito, walang copyright yung background music. Lahat na lang copyright, no?
Give it my all. I laugh, I love, I live out loud. One man army moving through the crowd. Tell the world I got something to say. This is Arnold's life, and I'm leading the way. So to everyone watching, feel this vibe. You're enough, you're strong, you will survive. Disability ain't defeat, it's a flame. We rise up proud, remember the name. Watch me rise, hell I touch the
Sky can't stop me, I'm going to try. Hindi pa napalitan? Oo nga, no? Bakit kaya? Steady bird. Dali ha. Mag-refresh ako. Refresh. Allow YouTube ads. Ayun.
From the sun to the light I go. I got the heart just so you know. One hand for life, that's my flow. I shine, I grow, I steal the show. Yeah, it's that I couldn't, I said
Tingnan
just
mo.
watch.
Ayan, napalitan na.
Man, I broke that lock, got dreams in my pocket.
Ako yung nakatago dyan. Tinuka ng ibon. Oo. Laki mo.
Life ain't perfect, but I make it mine.
Wala yung ibang background ano ko eh. Gusto mo makita yun nung kalbo ako? Katatapos lang nung chemo ko nun eh. Bilog na bilog yung ulo ko lang. Ay, sandali. Wala. Ay, hindi yan. Mesa yan. Nabilig. Ito. Bilog na bilog yung ulo ko. O yan. Pag ito, nireject pa ni Lolo. Oh. Mukhang cute na may ngipin, no? Oh. Parang si ano lang eh. Si Pugak. May konting bigots. Yan. Yung kilay ko, konti pa dyan. Thank you ha, Tita Au. Palitan na natin, baka